Hey, today I'm making an easy, quick and delicious red lentil soup. In Kurdish we call this NISK. The ingredients I need are red lentils, an onion, olive oil, salt, black pepper, turmeric and curry, lemon juice, parsley for garnish, and some chili for extra heat. Excuse my crusty pot, I promise it's clean, it's just been around for a while. But let's get cooking. Start by adding your chopped onions to the oil and saute them until they're either translucent or slightly golden. Add your seasonings and toast them for a few seconds. Wash your lentils thoroughly and add them to your pot. Here I'm using 3 cups of water, but if you have vegetable stock or chicken stock, go ahead and use that instead. Cook the soup on medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, but keep an eye on it so it doesn't get too dry, and fill up with liquid if you need to. Now if you like your soup chunky, let it cook for the full 20 minutes and then it will be ready to be served. This is what it looks like after about 15 minutes, and if you want a more creamy texture, you can go ahead and use a hand blender. Blend until you reach your desired texture and then you're ready to indulge in this creamy soup. If you decide to make this, please share your results with me, and thank you for watching.